How to fix simple voice chat in Aternos. First things first is open up your preferred web browser and head directly into the Aternos.org's official site. Before you start and enable your current server, all you have to do is to download the mod first. Just simply head straight into plugins. Now once you're here, all you have to do next is locate and choose on simple voice chat. Yeah, if you hit on enter, you'll be given out a lot of options from here, but these are all the same. Choose on the first one, and then you'll just have to select the most recent version, which is going to be 2.6.6. Download this, and then once you've successfully downloaded this, all you have to do next is go into Files. Then from here, go to Config, and then just simply change the port number of voice chat into -1. And that's it. That's how you fix simple voice chat in Aternos.